This old Pacer Ray's garage video is a special project, restoration of an old VW Dune Buggy. I volunteer Ray for a lot of things. Somehow I knew he couldn't resist this one. After the loss of both of her parents in just a few months apart, cousin Jill inherited her dad's 68, 69 VW Dune Buggy. She had a lot of great memories in the back of this dune buggy and wanted to restore it to make even more memories with her own family. Ray's a sucker for sentimental reasons, but let's face it, he was eager to get his hands on this project. I hope you enjoy the journey from what it once was in these pictures to what it is now and what is yet to come.
Here it is. Got the trailer hooked up, loaded up, getting ready to go pick up the dune buggy. We got everything I think we need. Got the floor jack, got some straps, got some winches. Here we are, getting ready to go.
Oh, like the toilet seats. We don't go to that. We can leave those here.
The plumber has plenty of
Unless
those.
you need a round toilet seat.
These are so rare, you just don't see them.
I know. Wouldn't this be so much? I mean, it was so much fun. Wouldn't it be
Right.
so much fun again to just tool
The
around?
only thing I won't be able to do is actual body, mechanical and stuff. I'll get up and running and working.
Wow.
Okay.
This one is fun because it has so many memories,
Yeah,
and it's a family memory, and
yeah.
your dad would love the fact that you are fixing it up. Here we go. Come this way a little bit. You need to come this way a little bit. Yeah?
I'm gonna put back the truck with a crate in there.
That's really coming now. You need me to do this one?
No, I gotta reset that.
Oh. They don't pretend to know anything. That seat needs to be pushed in too, right?
The seat will probably go down. That'll have some going down the truck. See what happens here.
What do you want us to do?
I don't need you to do anything.
Good, I don't want to get my fingers pinched or my toes.
Guide the jack if it doesn't stay straight.
You have to guide the jack if it doesn't stay straight. And don't let it come out from underneath.
It won't.
Okay.
I'm going slow and easy.
Okay, boys.
Oh,
Woo, boy, Aiden, you are a lifesaver. Wait, Jill's at the very end here.
So you're about out of trailer.
Now the motor. Notice I'm not involved. Grease. Dirty grease. I'm a city girl.
Ah. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to give this thing its first pass. Probably 20 years, maybe a little longer, I'm not sure. We're getting ready to clean her up a little bit before we put it in the garage to work on it. She's only got about 20 years of dirt and dust built up on her. See what she looks like when we clean her up here a little bit. good idea to see what this purple paint looks like. Get all that dirt off of it. You can do it. There she is. It's all cleaned up. At least washed, rinsed off. Layers and layers of dirt gone. I mean layers of dirt gone. What a difference. Just a little wash job. That's good enough for now. We're going to get her back in the garage. Get her in the garage so we can get started working on her. She cleaned up really good. Seats are in good shape. This motor, after I got all the dirt off of it, looks like it was almost brand new. I'm thinking it'll probably fire right up. There's new sleeves and stuff for the valves. It looks like it's in really good shape. Had new pulleys put on it, maybe a new generator put on it at one time. I don't know. We'll find out. Carburetor looks brand new. You can get in there and take a look at it. It looks like it's brand new too. Their dad really started on this thing and then never got finished. We will see where we're at and go from there. We just thank the Lord that we're able to help people out sometimes and keep something in the family, because it's been in the family since it was almost new. Her dad built it, the way I understand it. Anyway, it's here. We are going to get her put back together if we can. Waiting on front end parts now. That'll be the first thing. Get her front end put back together and get it roller and steerable. All right, guys, thank you. This is Ray.